Hi students, in previous exercise we create superelevation view. Now we will use the superelevation view to edit superelevation data. Editing superelevation data by the superelevation view is an alternative to editing the data in tabular form, as we already learned about that earlier. In this exercise we will use the superelevation view to remove the normal crown areas in the middle of the alignment. In other words, we will force the curves to transition directly from one to other. We will also adjust the rate of maximum superelevation. For this exercise, you need to have completed the previous exercise before continuing. So if you did not, please go back and create superelevation view using previous exercises step. Now if you have a superelevation view here, so just isolate the right outside line in the superelevation view by holding down the control and just click on the red line. If you will not hold your control, then you will select and it will selected everything in superelevation. So if you just want to select any one line, just press control and click on the line. Now pass your cursor without clicking over the any grip. It will show you some options. For example, if you come here and we have to move this grade break from this station, so I will put my cursor here without clicking and then I will select remove grade break from the grip menu. Then press escape after the grip is removed. Again, I will repeat these two steps to remove the grade break at 258.3. Here, just I want to remove this grade break also. Press control and select your red line, then just hold here your cursor and remove grade break. Then press escape to clear the selection. Now again hold down control and select the green line representing the left outside lane. It is our left side outline lane. I will use same method to remove some grade breaks, and here I will use the station 207. Just here, if you see here we have one grip. Just hold down and select remove grade break. Again I will do that for another one, which is here I have 286. 286 here I have this one. Okay, if you will not press escape and again come with same setup, it will not show you options to remove grade break. So I will press escape, then control and select your green line, and then here you will see option remove grade break. So now we already removed our grade breaks from the required places from the outside and inside lanes. Now turn on dynamic input to press F12 if it is not already on. Then click your superelevation view to select it. You can see all of the grips should be available now. Then click the flat blue grip in the first left outside shoulder region just after the 0 plus 0 39.6 station. The grip will be associated with the cyan line, just remember. Then just click, and in the dynamic input you need to write, for example, now it is 5% and I want to make it minus 4.5%. I will just write and press enter. Okay, so the shoulder slope has been changed slightly to match existing conditions, if you see here. So this is how you can make some changes in your super elevation views to change your slopes, to change your outside and inside lens transitions. Stay tuned with us for more.